Hey, this is CopperCarver, and today we're checking out the QQH Z80A triple portable laptop monitor. This is definitely not your typical portable monitor. Instead, it gives you two extra additional 15.6-inch displays that are connected together in one foldable unit. Once you unfold everything, all you have to do is stick your laptop in the middle and connect it with the cords that come with it, and now you have a triple monitor workstation. Honestly, that's what makes this product so different. You don't have to carry around two separate monitors, two different stands, a whole mess of cables. Everything is built into one system that folds together when you're done, making it much easier to travel with while still giving you the workspace of a desktop setup. If you're ever tired of editing videos, working a spreadsheet, writing papers, attending meetings, or juggling multiple windows on this one laptop display doing all of that, you already know how quickly things can feel cramped, and having those two extra screens completely changes that experience. The design is also more flexible than I expected. Instead of the displays being fixed in one position, each screen can pivot inwards and outwards. You can just use one if you want, use it in portrait mode, or just however you choose to. It's really cool. It does have the built-in stand on the back, and I think that's one of the smartest designs of this, is that everything is in one easy setup. So it does make the entire setup feel much more secure and stable while you're working. Each display is 15.6-inch full HD 1080p running at 60 Hertz. They offer up to 300 nits of brightness, a 1200:1 contrast ratio, and wide 178-degree viewing angles, and a matte anti-glare finish that helps reduce reflection. The image looks crisp, colors are vibrant, and it's exactly what you expect from a monitor designed for productivity. Another feature I really appreciate is that each monitor can be adjusted independently instead of both sharing the exact same setup. I mean, you can have them set up the same, but if you need your right side more bright than the left one, it's a little bit better. Inside, you'll find the triple monitor extender. What's really nice is that the two cables that it come with naturally has a turn at the end, so it fits naturally and a lot easier. I did try fitting other USB cables, and they would fit, but it was a little tight, so I do love that they do come with their own, and it fits a lot nicer. It does require a certain type of software in order for your laptop to recognize the screen. But luckily, and this is my first time experiencing it, the box came with a USB stick that you insert into your computer that actually has the software already on there. So you just simply download it and it makes it work. As far as compatibility goes, this monitor works with Windows, macOS, Apple M series, ChromeOS, Android, Linux, and depending on your laptop, like I said, you may need to use that USB stick to install the software. Imagine having your main projector on your laptop, your email on one side, maybe YouTube, Teams, Discord research, and other applications on the other, instead of consistently switching between tabs. Everything is visible at once, and that's why I love this so much. So whether you're a student, programmer, content creator, or someone who simply spends all day working on a laptop, it's surprisingly nice having that much screen space available anywhere you go. When you're finished, both displays simply fold back into one compact unit. One thing I noticed while researching this monitor is that the price is honestly kind of all over the place. I've seen it selling for as low as $200, but I've also seen $300. So I'm going to put a link in here, but make sure you kind of search around. That way you can find the cheapest price. Overall, I think what makes this stand out isn't just that it gives you more screen space, it's the fact that everything is built into one foldable. I guess some negatives I would say is that you feel like, how do I explain it? It's just like folding it and unfolding it. You just feel like you're gonna break it. Not that it feels cheap, but it's so finicky and feels so weird because you're not used to having monitors this big, and then let alone you feel like your fingers are gonna touch the screen and you don't want to break it and you don't want to bend things the wrong way. So even though it is cool, it feels so alien because it is so different. But once you get used to it, it's completely fine. I mean, overall, I think this is a really neat product. I haven't quite seen anything like it, and it might be for you. But overall, guys, I just wanted to share this product, the QQH Z80A. It just stands out with the extra monitors that are built onto it. But yeah, guys, anyways, thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.